Hey guys, so today we are doing not a video on an Android phone or anything like that. For the first time ever, we are doing a video on an iPhone. Yes, I have the new iPhone 14 Pro here. I wanted to get the Max, they didn't have any stock, so I got this, and I wanted to get the silver color, no stock. This is what I sell with. So here I have a gold iPhone 14 Pro in 256 gigabytes. It says iPhone here at the bottom, Apple logo, iPhone, Apple logo, and on the back here, and you can see here on the back is the iPhone 14 Pro Gold, and up here it says what it comes with, blah blah blah, 14 Pro, USB-C, designed by Apple. And I believe to open it, I just have to pull these pull tabs here. So we're just gonna open it live on camera. Just oh, satisfying. Gonna pull on the bottom tab, clean up a bit, and voila, we got our iPhone here. Boom. Pretty nice color, actually. Pretty gorgeous phone. You know what? I'm gonna pop my SIM card in this. Oh wait, I forgot. I can't put my SIM card in because I'm recording with this phone, so never mind. So we got the iPhone here. We have a Lightning to USB-C cable, and it says designed by Apple in California. Got a SIM eject tool and some extra papers and an Apple sticker. So yeah, all standard stuff. Nothing out of the ordinary, you know. It's your typical iPhone unboxing. All right, let's get this all cleaned up. All right, so let's unpeel the phone itself. Oh, a little lightning thing there. Cool, cool. It shows all the buttons and stuff. SIM tool, you know, SIM eject thingy. And voila. Got the iPhone 14 Pro. Did they charge it for us? Yes, they did. Got the Apple logo and everything. And we are in. Hello. English. You know what? Let's set this all up. All right, we're done. And it's kind of funny. It's telling me to set up eSIM. Just gonna say not now. You know, let's see how bright this is. It's decently bright. I'm pretty sure when I go outdoors, I'll actually see that full brightness. So I was pretty lazy with the setup. I didn't set up anything on this. Oh, there's the always on display. Oh, okay, cool. Ooh, the animation. Actually, you know what's funny? The animation is kind of laggy. Like the gradient going dark and dim. It might be because it's trying to reduce the frame rate. I thought it'd be smoother than that. All right, so here's the iPhone. This is my first time ever actually owning an iPhone. So, you know, let's try to figure out how to use the dynamic island. This is gonna be a guess, but if I start video recording, blah, blah, blah. Oh, there we go. Dynamic island, baby. If you tap on it, it opens the app, go home, expands. Oh, and when you're in the app, you can see the little orange indicator there. Hopefully it shows up on camera, the little orange light in between the little dynamic island. And yeah, when you long press it, I believe, yep, it shows controls so you can stop it. Oh, okay, cool. Oh my gosh, the animations are so cool. Boom, boom, record, boom. Super cool. That's pretty fun. All right, what else can we use this for? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, it goes away. Silent, ring. Pretty neat. All right, so let's test the camera out. I don't know, take pictures of that. Oh geez, wow, you can take like 1,000,000 pictures. Huh, neat. And yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to make a quick unboxing on the iPhone 14 Pro. It seems pretty cool. I'm still not completely loving the gold color, but as my friend said, well, the one I wanted was silver, but yes, as my friend said, why sell for silver when you can get gold? It's pretty cheesy, but yeah, he's right. Anyway, I'll make more videos on this. I'll definitely be comparing these cameras to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I know it's a comparison that is very popular right now, but it's the ultimate comparison. Best of Android versus best of Apple, or iOS, I guess. And that is about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.